This video will talk through the SIM item update wizard. Go to the menu, click on Wizards and SIM Wizards. In this section, find SIM item update wizard. Click on Use SIM to update items. This will give you the option to select two functions. Marking items as obsolete will look for items no longer in stock in your store and no longer available in the file for that particular SIM supplier. If they are no longer available, it will mark them as obsolete. Select your supplier. Click Preview Changes. It will warn you if it is going to deactivate any items from your database. In this case, there is not. You may also select the second option. This allows you to update the barcode with any new manufacturer's barcodes that the supplier has provided. Then select your supplier. Click Preview Changes and it will tell you if there are any changes to be made. In this case, there is not.